Hey guys, today in this video, we'll be taking a look at Hugo Car Insurance, and I recommend watching till the very end to know if it's worth it for you or not. Alright, let's begin with the video. From a professional standpoint, Hugo Car Insurance is indeed a commendable option for many drivers, particularly those seeking flexibility and short-term coverage without the commitment required by traditional insurance policies. Its innovative approach, focusing on digital-first experiences and customizable plans, makes it exceptionally good for a specific niche in the market. Drivers in need of temporary insurance, individuals with changing vehicle usage patterns, and those who appreciate the convenience of managing insurance through a digital platform. Hugo's ability to offer instant coverage and to tailor policies to individual needs sets it apart from competitors, addressing a gap in the traditional insurance market. The competitive pricing and accessible customer support further enhance its appeal, making it a viable and attractive option for its target audience. Regarding customer reviews, Hugo tends to have an overall positive reception. Users often highlight the ease of use of the platform, the flexibility in coverage options, and the responsive customer service. These positive reviews reinforce the notion that Hugo is not only innovative in its offerings, but also successful in meeting the needs and expectations of its customers. However, as with any service, experiences can vary, and there are occasional criticisms, mostly from those who might not fully benefit from the short-term, flexible nature of Hugo's offerings. With Hugo, you're looking at an average quote of just $49 for liability-only coverage. That's less than half of what you typically pay on a national level, which averages $104. The savings are clear and substantial. When it comes to full coverage, Hugo continues to lead the way with an average quote of $57. Compare that to the hefty national average of $213, and the choice becomes even more apparent. Hugo Car Insurance has carved out a niche in the market that caters specifically to drivers with unique, short-term insurance needs. Understanding for whom Hugo's offerings might be cheap or expensive requires a look at the specific scenarios and driver profiles that align with their business model. For example, Hugo is cheap for individuals who don't use their car regularly, but still require coverage for occasional use. Find Hugo's model highly cost-effective. Instead of paying for a full year of insurance, they can pay only for the days they actually need coverage. Similarly, it is expensive for drivers who use their vehicle regularly throughout the year. Hugo's model, based on short-term coverage, might end up being more expensive than traditional annual insurance policies. Filing a claim with Hugo Auto Insurance is designed to be a straightforward process, reflecting the company's digital-first approach. Hugo typically encourages the use of their digital platform or mobile app for filing claims. This process usually involves logging into your account, navigating to the claims section, and following the prompts to report an incident. Once your claim is submitted, it goes through a review process. Hugo's claims team may reach out to you for additional information or clarification as they assess the claim. After the review process, Hugo will inform you of the claim's outcome. If approved, they'll provide details on how the claim will be settled, which could include repair authorization for your vehicle, a payout, or reimbursement for expenses, depending on the policy details and the nature of the claim. Hugo takes a different approach from conventional auto insurers by not providing the usual discounts. Rather, Hugo allows motorists the flexibility to buy just the amount of insurance they require and to suspend it whenever necessary. Through Hugo's Flex Plan, drivers have the capability to activate or deactivate their insurance as desired, ensuring they only incur costs for the coverage they actually use. This feature proves particularly beneficial for individuals who drive infrequently or require insurance for short periods. Deciding whether Hugo Insurance is the right choice for you depends on your specific driving habits, insurance needs, and preferences. Hugo's unique approach to car insurance, focusing on flexibility and short-term coverage, makes it an excellent fit for certain types of drivers, but less so for others. If you only use your car occasionally, Hugo's flexible plans can be more cost-effective than traditional annual insurance policies, as you pay only for the coverage you need when you need it. Hugo Insurance might not be for you if you're a daily commuter or rely on your vehicle for frequent use. A traditional annual insurance policy might offer better value and continuous coverage without the need to manage your policy actively. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.